Only two are there, Bhavna and Ashrita.
Yes, sir, they are joining. So students are joining.
Okay, okay, great. So Bhavna, you did homework, great. Which question? Did you do that one? Sine of pi x is equal to x by 100. Okay, Ashrita has done great. What was the like? What answer did you get?
Which one, sir?
Sine of pi x is equal to x by 100. Number of solutions. नहीं
63,
किया?
sir. 63.
63. 63. चलो करते हैं फिर आज भी इसको. So no worries. You can do it now. So I hope my screen is visible. Right. So we have, how much do we have? We have sine of pi x. Sine of pi x is equal to, what is happening to this? Just a second. X by 100, right? Sine of pi x is equal to x by 100. What answer did you give? 63, right? 63 बोला था ना किसी ने?
Sir.
One solution, no. There, like for sure there are more than, I guess more than 10 solutions तो है ही है, तो मैं for sure भेज. So no worries. See,
First, I got minus 32 pi and 32 pi, sir.
okay, no worries. So we'll be doing it right now. No need to worry. If you couldn't get it, if you didn't do it, whatever. So see, we have sine of pi x, okay? तो साइन ऑफ पाई एक्स कैसे जाएगा? इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो, go up and come back down at what value? Tell me. At 1, right? Similarly, it will go back down and this will be my point 2. Similarly, this will be my point 3, right? Same on the left side. -1, -2, -3, right? So this is -1, this is -2, this is -3. Fine. So if I plot this line, x by 100, so what will happen? X by 100 ऐसे कुछ जाएगा, right? It will go something like this. So definitely I have one solution at origin. Okay. I have one solution at origin. One solution at origin, right? Then I have one solution between 0 and 1. Okay, this point. I have one solution between 0 and 1. Fine. Okay. So what will happen further? There will be no solution between 1 and 2. Okay. There is no solution between 1 and 2 because this curve has gone below. Right? This curve has gone below y-axis. So there is no solution between 1 and 2. Then if I try to look between 2 and 3, so there are two solutions between 2 and 3, right? There are two solutions between 2 and 3. So two solutions between 2 and 3, right? Similarly, I have two more solutions between 3 and 5, right? See, between 3 and 4, if you plot between 3 and 4, there will be no solution between 3 and 4. So again, there will be two solutions between 4 and 5. Sorry, okay. 4 and 5. Right? Similarly, two more solutions between 4 5 तो ये हो गया, फिर 5 6 will be down, so it will be 6 and 7 basically. So like this you will be getting solutions. So I'll be just calculating this thing, because see, like these three are special solutions, these three are special. Okay, these two, the one at origin and the one that is between 0 and 1, because they are occurring just one time, so there is something, some difference that I need to take. And I need to go till x is equal to 100. Okay, till x is equal to 100, I can say that if my x is greater than 100, no solution will exist at that range. Okay, because if my x is greater than 100, my y will be greater than 1, and sine of pi x cannot be greater than 1. So I only have to look till x is equal to 100. Fine. तो अब बताओ कैसे करोगे? I have two solutions between 2 and 3, two solutions between 4 and 5, two solutions between 6 and 7. Similarly, so basically what like you can count na till 100. Till 100 you can count. What will be the number of solutions till 100? X is equal to 100. How many solutions will be there? Bhavna, Gayatri, Ashrita, Sravani. Are you able to get this? This is the question that we were doing yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So tell me how many solutions will be there? See, I am plotting this line. Y is equal to x by 100, and this is my sine of pi x. So how is my sine of pi x behaving? Sine of pi x will go up, come back down at 1. Between 1 and 2, it is negative. Between 3 and 4, it is negative. Similarly, between 5 and 6, it is again negative. So you need to figure out. So see, there are two solutions between 2 and 3. Okay. There are two solutions between 4 and 5. There are two solutions between 6 and 7. Okay. Again, two solutions between 6 and 7. Yeah, it's 4 and 5. See, I have two solutions between 2 and 3. Right. I have two solutions between 4 and 5. Okay. 2 3 हो गया, 4 5 हो गया. Then I have 5 से 6 के बीच में negative. So it is 6 and 7. Yes, it is correct. 2 3 4 5 6 7. So right, like this I will have two solutions between 7 and 8 also. Two solutions between
Yeah, it is 9, sir. Yeah,
right.
it is.
So you can just count. You can just count na. How many will be there? Like this, how many will be there? Till 99 and 100. I only
Yes,
need
sir.
to think till 99 and 100, right? So my
Yes, sir.
last set of solution will be between 99 and 100. After that, I will get no solution because my value of y will be greater than 1. So देख लो यार, 2 3 के बीच में 2 है, राइट? 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 है, 8 9 है, और 99 100 है. So basically, if I try to see, it is just the number of the number of uh, natural numbers between 100 and 2, right? Between 100 and 2. So 100 minus 2 plus 1 कितना हुआ ये? 99 हो गया, right?
Yes,
99.
Sir.
So these solutions are 99 solutions. Only these. Fine. ये हो गया 99. Okay. Then I have one solution between 0 and 1 also. So basically, for x is greater than 0, I have total of 100 solutions. You are correct. Like we had, like I had to cut a number also there. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 10, 11. It will be 10, 11, something like this. Correct, correct. So, acha, okay, 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 okay. So there is one thing that we have missed. Okay. Great. Yes, yes. Actually, it has to be something like this. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Then we have 12, 13. Okay. But still, the number of solutions will be same. Like you can see that it will be the number of natural numbers only. Like the number of solutions won't change. I wrote the wrong range, but the calculation was correct. You can see, you can manually verify it also. It won't change the number of solutions. Only it will change just one thing. The last part. Can you tell me what will be the last part? Where will my solutions end? See, my range of solutions is ending at odd numbers. It is ending at 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So my last solution will be between
99, sir.
98 and
98,
99.
99.
My last solution will be between 98 and 99, because between 99 and 100 my function will grow downwards. It will be negative, right? Correct. So again, you can do the same thing. So now calculate the number of integers between 2 and 99. So 99 minus 2 plus 1. कितना हो गया? It is 98, right?
98, sir.
So these are total 98 solutions. ये हो गए 98 solutions plus 1. 98 plus 1. So total 99. So x is greater than 0 पे I have 99 solutions. Right? Similarly, for negative x, how many solutions will I have? Can you tell me? If I have 99 solutions on this side, can you tell me how many solutions will I have on the left side?
Minus 19.
Number of solutions minus 99. Arey, number of solutions. How many
98,
apples do you have? How many
90,
apples do you have today? So minus 99 apples है आज मेरे पास. हाँ 99, like number
98,
negative कैसे हो सकता
Okay,
है?
sir.
हाँ. Right? And I have one solution.
98, sir, at
Why?
x is equal to
Why? Tell me.
less than 0. Because, sir,
Hmm.
origin
Because
counts.
no, I have not counted origin. See, I have total 99 solutions in this bracket. Okay. I was only counting this part. This part. Total 98 solutions are here. Now I have counted this solution. So I have total 99 only on the right side of x-axis. I have not counted this origin wala solution yet. I have not counted that. See, you can see that. ये ऊपर पड़ा हुआ है अलग से. ये अलग से पड़ा हुआ है ऊपर. You can see it clearly. I have not included that. 98 solutions सिर्फ इस पार्ट में थे. ठीक है. 98 solutions सिर्फ इस पार्ट में थे और प्लस ये 0 और 1 वाला है. Okay. So similarly, I have one solution at origin also. So can you tell me total number of solutions now?
100.
कितना?
199, sir.
हाँ, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? 99 solutions in the positive range, 99 solutions in negative side, and one solution at origin. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you able to get this? I
Yes,
guess
sir.
someone had told me 63 solutions. पता नहीं किसी ने 63 बोला था. I guess you were solving for this then. If you get like अगर तुम ऐसा कुछ सॉल्व करोगे ना, then you will get 63, somewhere around 63 solutions. but it is sine of pi x. So like my figure has been reduced 5 times. So just make sure you were solving the correct question. यही क्वेश्चन दिया था ना मैंने कल?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
please check your notes? क्वेश्चन यही
Yes,
था ना?
yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. I guess the one who had solved 63 solutions जिसके आए थे ना, you must have taken sine x, not sine of pi x.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
great, great. So इसका रेफरेंस दे देता हूँ. इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ जेई मेन. ओके, 2016. फाइन. नंबर ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस पूछा था उन्होंने. ठीक है, मतलब लेवल का आइडिया दे रहा हूँ कि लाइक दिस इज जनरली द टाइप ऑफ द level of questions they ask. Okay. And it was very easy because it was sine, so it was symmetric. So you could have calculated on one side and then just inverted. Okay. Okay, fine. So today we were going to start with functional equations, right? So like it is a very easy topic. So what happens in case of functional equations is basically like till now you must have solved quadratic equations, right? Quadratic equations. Or you must have solved cubic also, right? So what is functional equation basically? Functional equation means that you are given the like you are given an equation which includes several functions inside it. Okay, the equation given to you is in the form of a function. So you need to figure out what the function is. Earlier, what was happening is you were given some values, something like this, and you were asked to find the value of x. But now what will happen is you will be given some equation. And from that equation, you will be asked to find the function. Okay. That is called functional equation. So uh, just three simple examples that we have currently. So example number one, I have a functional equation given as f of x multiplied by f of y is equal to f of x plus y. X and y are real numbers. So you need to tell me what is my what is my function f of x. Can you think of something? Can you think of some function where if you do x plus y, so your f of x and f of y can get multiplied? Can you think of such a function? Where does this thing happen? Can you think? Just
Yes,
go back
sir.
to your basics. Yes, tell me. Which type of functions does it happen?
Logarithm function, sir.
Are you sure? Are you sure this is what happens in logarithm functions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So basically you are trying to say log of x multiplied by log of y is equal to log of x plus y. Acha? Are you sure? No. Just think inverse of log. What is the inverse of log? What is the inverse of log? So I will tell you f
Root
of x is
1 by
equal
2.
to a raised to x. Okay. Where a is positive. You can try this also. So f of x is a raised to x, so f of y will be a raised to y. So a raised to x into a raised to y. So this is a raised to x plus y. So I can say that it is equal to f of x plus y. Right? What will be f of x plus y? It is a raised to x plus y. Right? So f of x is equal to a raised to x is the solution of this equation. Fine. A is any constant. The value of the constant will be found out later based on some other conditions given to you. Fine. Fine. Did you get the mistake that you were making?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Similarly, second, now tell me. Now tell me. Now which one will it fall into? Can you think little bit? Which type of function will have such a property? See, first of all, did you understand this? Everyone understood this, right? F of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. So you take f of x is equal to a raised to x. A is any constant. Fine. A is any constant. So you can see, you can put it manually also. So if f of x is a raised to x, so f of y is a raised to y. Okay. And f of x plus y is a raised to x plus y, right? Because instead of x, you have to put x plus y. So when you multiply f of x and f of y, so you know that if I have the same base, my exponents will get added. So it is a raised to x plus y, and that is equal to f of x plus y. Fine. ये समझ आया ना? Yes, correct, Pam. It is logarithm of x. Where a is any constant. Okay. A is any real number, constant. ठीक है, third. अब बताओ. Limit तो नहीं. Like how is it related to limits? I am just giving you an equation, okay? An equation related to a function. So you have to tell me what that function is. So I guess limits have no use in such a case. You just need to use your like past knowledge and figure out what type of functions will satisfy this equation. Okay. Till now there are many types of functions that you must have learned. You have learned exponential function, you have learned logarithm function, you have learned, okay, several functions. So can you think which type of function will fall into this category? Okay. So if you are not able to think, f of x is equal to ax, linear curve. You can try it also. See, you can try it manually. Okay, you can try it manually also. You have a raised to x. Similarly, if you use this property in this curve, it will satisfy. Similarly, I have this thing. You try to put it here. So f of x is ax. Okay, f of x is ax. So f of y is ay. So if you add f of x plus f of y, it is ax plus ay. That is equal to a times of x plus y. And this thing is equal to f of x plus y. So hence confirm.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So these three are the basic functional equations, right? If you have such a equation, it is for sure that the solution will be of this format. Okay, no other solution, like no other format of solution is possible in these three cases. So you can make a note of here also. You can make a note of it here. No other. These are three special cases. Okay. And it's proof. Like if I have such three, like any one of these three kinds of functional equation, so how uh, this this type of function will only stand? Okay, no other type of function will stand. So it's proof we will be doing when we will be studying differential equations. Okay, there is a chapter by the name of differential equations. It will happen in, I guess, I'm not sure, but in NCERT syllabus, it is in class 12th. So when we study differential equations, I will be proving to you that if you have such an equation, only this is the type of solution which is possible. No other format of solution is possible in these three cases only. So you can mark it as special cases. जहां पे भी ये equation दिखे, wherever you see, wherever you see any of these three equations, just make sure to print your final result. Fine. Okay. So I am telling you f of x multiplied by f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Okay. Along with that, I am telling you that f of 2 is equal to 4. So I am asking you find f of x. Can you do it? जल्दी करना थोड़ा. So go back again. F of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Okay. So which type of solution will it fall into? F of x will be a raised to x. Okay. F of x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? A raised to x. Right? No other format of solution is possible. This is the only way in which this functional equation can result. And I'm telling you that f of 2 is 4. So that means if I put 2 here, so a square is 4. So that means a is 2. So that means my f of x is 2 raised to x. Fine. समझ आया? Everyone, बता दो कुछ नहीं आया तो. ओके, एक को आया. गायत्री. ओमकार, अरे ओमकार सर, कैसे हो? इतने टाइम बाद दर्शन दिए.
अच्छा सर,
अच्छे
आप
हो?
कैसे हो?
और बस मैं तो ठीक हूँ. और पीएम के साथ मीटिंग सही गई तुम्हारी? इतने बिजी रहते हो, मुझे तो लगा पीएम के साथ मीटिंग कर रहे होगे.
नहीं सर,
अच्छा, पीएम के साथ नहीं तो प्रेसिडेंट के साथ कर रहे होगे. नहीं कर रहे थे क्या? अच्छा. हाँ तो समझ आ रहा है. यू गॉट इट राइट. सी आई एम टेलिंग यू, जहां पे भी wherever you see any of these three functional equations, okay, these three are examples of functional equations. So wherever you see any functional equation, blindly copy this blindly copy the type of solution that you will get, and based on some other condition that will be given to you in that question, you can find out the value of that constant. Fine. So I have another functional equation, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. Okay. And I have f of 1 is equal to 3. So can you tell me what is my solution of f of x? What is my solution of f of x? What is my function f of x?
3, sir. Sir,
F of x is 3. Like it is a
no, sir.
constant function. Okay. So first of all, can you tell me the type of solution?
3, sir. A1.
3, sir.
A is 3, correct. A is
O
3.
of x
So what will
equals
be
to
my
AX.
function? So what will be my function? Final function. My final
AX.
function.
AX.
AX. अरे AX तो हाँ ठीक है. Correct. AX. And what
F
is
of
my
x
value of
equals
A? What is my value
3,
of A
sir.
that I am getting? 3, correct.
3, sir.
So can I say that my function is 3x? F of x is 3x. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. बहुत बढ़िया. So this is what is meant by the term functional equations. So you have equations in terms of function only, and you will be asked to find the function or some properties of the function or some values of the function. Okay. So these three were the special types of functional equation. Now we will approach to how we can solve some general questions. Okay, how we can solve some basic general questions. Okay, so there are total three types, okay? Three types of functional equations that we are required to solve. Okay, so type 1, like no need to remember type 1, type 2, type 3. It is just a bifurcation for better understanding. Okay, so first is using replacement property. No need to remember names also. It is, I'm just giving the name so that it sticks in your mind. ये याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि सर रिप्लेसमेंट प्रॉपर्टी ये सब. ठीक है, सो चलो एग्जांपल के साथ ही करते हैं. सो I have f of x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 1. Can you find f of x? It is very easy ना. See, इसमें तो कुछ सोचना ही नहीं था. See, I know f of x plus 3. It is equal to x square plus 1, right? So what I am doing is replace x by x minus 3. x की जगह x minus 3 डाल दो. So what will happen? क्या हो जाएगा? f of जहां पे भी x है उसकी जगह x minus 3 हो जाएगा. So it is x minus 3 plus 3, right? Is equal to
Yes, sir.
x minus 3 squared plus 1, right? So I can say this left side मेरा क्या हो जाएगा? F of x. So मेरा f of x हो जाएगा x minus 3 whole square plus 1. ठीक है, ये हो गया मेरा
Yes.
f of x. अब चाहो तो इसको ओपन कर लो. You can open it. So it is x square minus 6x plus 10. Fine. Fine.
Yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
ओके ग्रेट. चलो
Yes,
अभी
sir.
देता हूँ थोड़ा सा. अब रिप्लेसमेंट प्रॉपर्टी है लेकिन थोड़ी सी टफ लगेगी. Like you will need to think how to use replacement property. So I have f of x, like my function is taking two inputs. Okay, it is also possible f of x comma y, something like this is happening. So my function is taking two inputs. Okay, तो चलो सबसे पहले तो मतलब एक इजी देता हूँ, because first you need to understand also what is meant by taking two inputs. So like if I have f of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, या 3xy ले लो चलो. ठीक है, so what is happening here is you are giving a value of x, you are giving a value of y, and corresponding to two inputs, you are giving two inputs, and my function is taking both the inputs. Okay, my function is using both the inputs and giving me an output. It is possible na. Function can take two inputs na. It is possible. Okay. It is giving me an output using both the inputs that I have given it. Okay. So what is happening is, अच्छा चलो ठीक है. So can you tell me what is the value of f of 1 comma 2 in this case? In this case f of 1 comma 2 क्या होगा? I have f of x plus x comma y.
Sir, 11.
How much?
11, sir.
कितना होगा? 11. Okay. So 1 plus 4 plus 6. 1 plus 4 plus 6. हाँ correct 11. Similarly f of 0 comma 1. बताओ जल्दी. 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, great. Great. So ठीक है. You now understand what is meant by two inputs. Fine, it is very easy. Like earlier we had one input. Now there are two inputs. Okay. So I have a function f of x comma y. Okay, find f of x comma y such that, okay, now my functional equation is f of x plus 2y comma 2x plus y is equal to 2xy. अब बताओ कैसे करोगे? थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, बट यू नीड लाइक you just need a bit of direction. Okay, so I'll be doing the first problem for you, and then similar problems or like a bit advanced I'll be giving you as homework. Okay, so see what is happening here is my input my input is x plus 2y and 2x plus y. Okay, and what is happening in my final result? I want my input as x and y. Okay, I only want my input as x and y. So basically what is happening is if I assume x is equal to 2y as some quantity alpha, okay, and 2x plus y as some quantity beta, okay, so this thing, my functional equation is telling me, okay, this is what my functional equation has given me. I want to convert this form to f of x comma y. So is it possible? सोच के देखो, how is it possible? कैसे possible होगा ये चीज? It is very easy. If I am able to convert my alpha and beta, if I am able to convert alpha and beta to x and y, so I can just substitute. Alpha की जगह x डाल दूंगा, beta की जगह y डाल दूंगा, right? So all I need is, I just need to find out that what is the relation between alpha beta and xy. Okay, बस यही करना है. So can you help me? Yeah, I have two equations and two unknowns. Okay, two equations and two unknowns. So can you help me find out? Can you help me? कोई भी? See, I have two equations. This is my equation 1. This is my equation 2. Okay, I have these equations in terms of alpha and beta, and I want to find out x and y from these two equations. Two equations, two unknowns. कैसे करोगे बताओ? कौन बताएगा? How do we solve two equations and two unknowns? Will you be able to do it?
Elimination method.
Correct,
Okay, sir.
elimination. So eliminate करने के लिए I am multiplying my second equation by 2. So 4x plus 2y is equal to 2 beta. Okay. Then I am multiplying. Sorry, subtract कर रहा हूँ. 3 minus 1. So it is 3x is equal to 2 beta minus alpha. Right? So मेरा x क्या हो गया? 2 beta minus alpha whole by 3. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct? मेरा
Yes,
x
sir.
हो गया 2 बीटा माइनस अल्फा बाय 3. सिमिलरली अब मेरे को x मिल गया, तो आई विल पुट इट हियर. सो माय y इज इक्वल टू बीटा माइनस 2x, राइट? सेकंड इक्वेशन. सो बीटा माइनस इसका 2 टाइम्स करो, सो इट इज 4 बीटा माइनस 2 अल्फा बाय 3. है ना? अब इसको इस साइड भेजो, So it is 3 beta minus 4 beta plus 2 alpha by 3. So it is 2 alpha minus beta by 3. ये आ गया मेरा y, right? So I have got my x and y in terms of alpha and beta. See, I will just show you again. What is happening is I have f of alpha comma beta. Okay. I have f of alpha comma beta. I have this thing. And I have got alpha, x in terms of alpha. Okay. I have got x in terms of alpha beta and y in terms of alpha beta. So what I can do? See, I have f of alpha comma beta as 2xy. Okay. I have this thing, 2xy. So what can I do? क्या करूंगा मैं? x और y को डाल दूंगा, ये करूंगा ना. आई हैव x एंड y,
sir.
ये x है y है, तो बस पुट इनपुट कर दो वैल्यू. सो आई गेट f ऑफ अल्फा कोमा बीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स x की जगह मैं डाल दूंगा 2 बीटा माइनस अल्फा बाय 3 एंड इन प्लेस ऑफ y आई विल पुट 2 अल्फा माइनस बीटा बाय 3. So this will be my final equation. But now I have got my equation in terms of alpha comma beta. So what I can do? I can just easily replace alpha by x and beta by y. I can do that now. See, if I have f of x is equal to something in terms of x, and I want to find what is f of y, so what I can do? I can just easily replace every term of x here to y. है ना? I will get my f of y. Same thing I am doing here. I have got my function in terms of alpha and beta. I have got my equation in terms of alpha and beta. I am asking you कि इसी को x और y में कन्वर्ट कर दो. कैसे करोगे? अल्फा, जहां जहां भी अल्फा दिखेगा उसकी जगह x रख दो, एंड वेर एवर यू सी बीटा उसकी जगह y रख दो. सो इट इज 2 टाइम्स 2y minus x by 3, okay, multiplied by 2x minus y by 3. ठीक है? Right. So basically what is happening is I have got my f of x. Okay. Assume I have got my f of x in terms of x. Okay. In terms of x. I need to find out what is my f of y. So what I can do, everywhere there is x in this function, I will replace it with a y and I can get my f of y. So same thing I am doing in two variables here. Same thing is happening in 2 variables. So my 2 variables are alpha and beta. Yes, you are correct. See, we had assumed, okay, so I'm just going back at the solution from top. So what is happening is there are 2 things that are happening simultaneously. So first, just look into the picture. Just look into the picture. What was happening is I don't have my functional equation in this form. Okay, I don't have it in this form. Both my inputs are some substitutes of x and y. Okay, so what I did, I assumed my first input as alpha and my second input as beta. So it is basically f of alpha comma beta is equal to 2xy. अब यार ये तो मतलब बिल्कुल ही अनसॉल्वेबल हो गया, क्योंकि ये तो अल्फा है, ये बीटा है और यहाँ x और y है. ये तो बिल्कुल ही मतलब it is clearly impossible to solve, right? Because if it is alpha and beta over here, so my right hand terms should also come in terms of alpha and beta, na? My right hand terms, if I am taking f of alpha and beta, देखो जैसे हम यहाँ कर रहे थे, I was taking f of x and y as input. X and y were my inputs. So my whole terms, my whole function was in terms of x and y only. ऐसा तो नहीं हो रहा था कि I am taking my input in terms of alpha and beta और मेरा ये फंक्शन x और y में आ रहा है. So in order to solve that, what will I do? I will find out the equivalent values of x and y in terms of alpha and beta. So देखो मैंने क्या किया, ये फर्स्ट इनपुट को अल्फा मान लिया, फर्स्ट इनपुट को अल्फा मान लिया, ये अल्फा x प्लस 2y को अल्फा मान लिया. माई बीटा इट इज 2x प्लस y, ये बीटा सेकेंड आ गया. So now I try to find out what is my equivalent x and y in terms of alpha and beta. So what will happen is when I will try to put something like this, so I will try to convert my right hand terms in terms of alpha and beta only. I need my right hand terms in alpha and beta, because if I don't have my right hand terms in alpha and beta, like it is clearly impossible to solve. If I give you something like this, इसको कैसे सॉल्व करोगे कि इनपुट तो अल्फा बीटा जा रहा है और फंक्शन है एक्स और वाई का, तो ये तो मतलब इट इज क्लियरली इम्पॉसिबल टू सॉल्व ना. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज आई एम कन्वर्टिंग माय राइट हैंड साइड, कन्वर्टिंग माय राइट हैंड साइड टू अल्फा एंड बीटा. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. मैंने अब अपने राइट हैंड साइड को भी टर्म्स ऑफ अल्फा एंड बीटा बना दिया. ओके, तो उससे हाउ आई डिड इट, आई सॉल्व टू इक्वेशंस, टू अननोन्स, टू इक्वेशन सॉल्व किए. एक्स की वैल्यू आ गई अल्फा बीटा में, वाई की वैल्यू आ गई अल्फा बीटा में. एफ ऑफ एल्फा कॉमा बीटा है, 2xy है, यहाँ रिप्लेस कर दिया. रिप्लेस कर दिया. सो आई गॉट माई एफ ऑफ एल्फा कॉमा बीटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ एल्फा एंड बीटा. Okay, I wanted it in terms of alpha and beta. If I didn't have my f of alpha comma beta in terms of alpha and beta, it was clearly impossible to solve. Okay, I got this in terms of alpha and beta. I got it. Okay. Now, for example, just look back into this problem. F of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square plus 3xy. Okay. Now you have f of x comma y. Now I am asking you to find the value of f of a comma b. कैसे करोगे? How will you convert this thing into a and b? f of a comma b कैसे निकालोगे? Can you tell me? See, I have this equation, f of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square plus 3xy. So can you tell me what will be my value of f of a comma b? It is obviously a square
square
plus
plus
b
b
square
square plus
3ab,
3ab.
right? जहां भी x दिखे, जहां x दिखे उसकी जगह मैंने a रख दिया, जहां भी
Y.
x दिखा मैंने उसकी जगह a रख दिया, जहां y दिखा मैंने उसकी जगह b रख दिया, right? So if I have my function in the correct format, so I can change the variables, है ना? वेरिएबल चेंज करना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. I can easily change my variables. I just should have my function in the correct format. That is the rule number one. तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा था? I got my f of alpha comma beta in terms of alpha and beta only. So what I did, I just wanted to convert it to x and y. So जहां पे भी alpha दिखा मैंने x रख दिया, जहां पे बीटा दिखा मैंने y रख दिया, and this is my final equation that I have. Fine.
Yes, sir.
पक्का
Yes,
समझ आया
sir.
ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ताला लगा दिया जाए? श्योर ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
see, just look, there is an issue over here. The issue is that my input is not x and y. So if my input is not x and y, I am assuming it to be some alpha and beta. But the issue is my right hand side is x and y. So f of alpha comma beta है और right hand side पे मेरा x और y है. तो यार ये तो बिल्कुल सॉल्वेबल ही नहीं है ना. इसको सॉल्व कैसे करूं मैं? मुझे क्या पता? मुझे क्या पता अल्फा और बीटा क्या है, x और y क्या है? How will I solve it? Okay. बेगानी शादी में अब्दुल्ला दीवाना. देयर इज अ सेइंग इन हिंदी. इट मींस दैट वन हु हैज नो रिलेशन इज इंटरफेयरिंग विद माय मैटर्स. अल्फा और बीटा का कोई रिलेशन ही नहीं था एक्स और वाई से, और ये यहाँ आके बैठ गया, अल्फा और बीटा अंदर आके बैठ गया. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज मेरे फंक्शन के अंदर अल्फा और बीटा ने कब्जा कर लिया. अल्फा और बीटा फंक्शन के अंदर आ गए और राइट हैंड साइड पे था एक्स और वाई. तो यार फायदा ही नहीं है कोई. like there was no way I could have solved it because inputs are alpha and beta, right side there is x and y. कैसे solve करूं? So what I did is I converted my x and y in terms of alpha and beta using this, and after I did it I replaced x and y, and after that तो फिर it is easy. I have got my alpha and like f of alpha comma beta. I wanted to find f of x comma y, so just replaced alpha की जगह x रख दिया, beta की जगह y रख दिया. Very easy. राइट। चलो तो इसी से रिलेटेड एक होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, सिमिलर ही है, ठीक है, इसी से क्वाइट सिमिलर है। सो आई एम गिविंग यू दैट माई एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई कॉमा एक्स माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर, नहीं यार एक्स स्क्वायर क्यों देते हैं, क्यूब देते हैं ना, थोड़ा मुश्किल करते हैं तुम्हारे लिए। सो इट इज एक्स क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब, ओके, एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई, एफ ऑफ एक्स कॉमा वाई। कर लोगे? विल यू बी एबल टू डू इट
Yes, sir. We will try.
जस्ट लाइक द
Yes,
प्रीवियस
sir.
वन? ठीक है,
हाँ।
तो वही है करना वही है अपने को, कि ये जो बिन बुलाया मेहमान आ गया है ना हमारे घर पे, उसको औकात दिखा के बाहर भगाना है। ठीक है, तो एक्स प्लस वाई और एक्स माइनस वाई है, ये हमारे दो बिन बुलाए मेहमान, अनवांटेड अनवांटेड गेस्ट एट माय होम। तो इनको इनकी औकात दिखानी है, बाहर भगाना है फंक्शन से। कैसे भगाऊंगा? सॉल्व करके। ठीक है, यहाँ पे अल्फा और बीटा अनवांटेड गेस्ट थे, तो इनको घर से बाहर भगाना है। आई वॉन्ट टू सेंड देम आउट ऑफ माई होम। फाइन, यही करना है बस, कर लेना।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, ग्रेट। समझ आया ना पक्का?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है। टाइप टू, टाइप टू थोड़ा सा इंपॉर्टेंट है, एलिमिनेटिंग, अरे यार याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट लाइक राइटिंग इट बिकॉज इट इज द नेम्स। ठीक है, एलिमिनेटिंग अनवांटेड एक्स्ट्रा फंक्शंस। ठीक है, तो ये भी मैं इसे प्रॉब्लम की हेल्प से ही एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। सो आई हैव ए टाइम्स एफ ऑफ एक्स, ओके, नहीं पहले इजी वाला करते हैं, नहीं तो यार तुम रोने लग जाओगे सर, पहले ही मुश्किल दे दी, पहले इजी देते हैं ना तुमको। सो सी आई हैव एफ ऑफ, यार जस्ट अ सेकेंड, आई हैव एफ ऑफ एक्स, ठीक है, प्लस टू टाइम्स एफ ऑफ वन माइनस एक्स एज एक्स स्क्वायर। सो फाइंड एफ ऑफ एक्स। एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस टू टाइम्स एफ ऑफ वन माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर। सो इट इज टेलिंग मी फाइंड एफ ऑफ एक्स। कैसे करोगे? तो चलो अभी तो मतलब नो वरीज, लाइक इट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सो आई विल बी डूइंग इट ऑन योर बिहाफ टू टीच यू दैट हाउ इट इज डन। So see, there is one thing I am able to see here. One input is x and my other function, other input is 1 minus x. Okay. So there is some way that I have to eliminate. Okay. I have to eliminate this 1 minus x wala thing. So how can I do it? Just think. So first equation I have f of x plus 2 times f of 1 minus x is equal to x square. Okay. ये तो मेरी पहली इक्वेशन है। Okay. Now I want to ignore, like I want to remove it, eliminate करना है मेरे को f of 1 minus x2। So what I will do is replace x by 1 minus x। ठीक है, इसी इक्वेशन में x की जगह 1 minus x डाल दो। So what will happen? f of 1 minus x plus 2 times f of, tell me what will this internal thing become?
Minus x.
Minus x, शाबाश, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। गलत है, दोबारा करो यार, सही से करो।
वो
x की
माइ
जगह 1 माइनस एक्स डालना है। अरे x की
One
जगह 1 माइनस एक्स डालना है। क्या आएगा?
one minus x. One minus one minus x, sir.
हाँ तो वो होता क्या है, लाइक सिंप्लीफाई एंड गिव द फाइनल आंसर टू मी ना।
1 minus x, 1 plus x, sir.
नो नो, व्हाट आई
X.
एम सेइंग इज,
सर
हाँ
इट इज
x होगा ना, करेक्ट,
एक्स।
One
इट
is
इज x।
one minus x, sir.
अरे यार, सो वन you are saying 1 minus
Sir.
1 minus x, right? So it is basically 1 minus 1 plus x. So it is x, na?
Yes, sir.
So x bolo na directly. Like I am expecting the final solution, okay, from you all. So it is basically x, and this thing is equal to 1 minus x
1
whole
minus
squared.
x.
Whole square.
अच्छा चलो बताओ, will you be able to eliminate eliminate f of 1 minus x? Is it possible to eliminate f of 1 minus x?
No, sir.
No. सोचो सोचो होगा. I have two equations, 1 and 2. Okay, I have two equations, 1 and 2. In this equation, I have f of x plus 2 times f of 1 minus x.
Oh,
Okay, this equation I have f of 1 minus x plus 2 times f of x. Is there any way that I can eliminate f of 1 minus x?
Yes, sir.
How?
sir, elimination method, sir, by elimination method.
By
हाँ,
multiply,
elimination method, right? How? मतलब कैसे करोगे वो बताओ ना, करोगे कैसे?
multiply second equation by 2.
Equation by 2, absolutely correct. So multiply the second equation by 2. So it will be equal to 2 times f of 1 minus x, okay, plus
Plus 4
4
f of
f of x is equal to 2 times 1 minus x whole squared, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So this
sir.
will be my equation 3. So what will I do now? I will subtract my equation 3 and equation 1. So 3 minus 1 करोगे. So this 2 times f of 1 minus x will get cancelled. और ये 4 minus 1 है. So it will get 3 times f of x is equal to 2 times 1 minus x whole square minus x square. ठीक है? हो गया?
Yes, sir.
हो गया ना? तो f of x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? f of x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई?
2 into 1
2.
minus x whole square minus x square by 3.
ये शॉर्टकट नहीं चलेगा. शॉर्टकट नहीं चलेगा मेरे को पूरा. ये सिंप्लीफाई एंड गिव मी द फाइनल क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. लाइक यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट एंड टेल मी द होल क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. डोंट डू शॉर्टकट. शॉर्टकट हर जगह शॉर्टकट.
2 minus 3x square by 3.
हाउ मच?
2 minus 3x square by 3.
श्योर? गलत
Yes,
है.
sir.
minus x square
0, sir.
minus 4x plus 2, sir.
हाउ मच? टेल मी
Minus x
अगेन.
square minus 4x plus 2, sir.
माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. ए तुम लोगों को यार मेरे को a माइनस बी का स्क्वायर दोबारा पढ़ाना पड़ेगा. 1 माइनस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है?
X square
What is?
plus 2, sir.
हाँ, नहीं एक्स स्क्वायर नहीं. व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर क्या होता है?
1 minus x square minus
minus 2x.
कैन यू रिपीट? आई कुडंट हियर यू.
1
X square plus
plus
1
x square minus.
एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 2x, राइट?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर कैसे आ गया ये बताओ मेरे को. सी, आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस थिंग बाय 2 ना. सो इट इज 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 2x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर होल बाय 3, राइट?
Yes, sir.
So my x square is basically 2x square
2
plus
minus
2
4x by
minus 4x. तो माइनस कैसे आ रहा था एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ? हाउ वाज द लाइक माइनस तो आएगा ही नहीं, प्लस आएगा ना. सो इट इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 2 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 3.
3, sir.
ये सब गलती कर दी है क्या इसमें? इसको माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर लिख दिया था क्या तुमने?
Yes,
Did
sir.
anyone? यार तुम लोग नाइन्थ क्लास कैसे पास किया हो तुम लोग? जस्ट जोकिंग. यार मतलब a माइनस बी का स्क्वायर तो पता ही होता है आई गेस. चलो हो जाती है गलती, मतलब देयर इज कैलकुलेशन एरर, many a times it happens also, no worries. But like just make sure that such like mistakes don't happen when you are actually appearing in the exam. Okay, like अभी तो practice है तो
Yes,
चलेगा.
sir.
Otherwise what will happen is you will be knowing the answers, you will be knowing how to solve, but like actual exam में गलती होगी तो बहुत बुरा लगेगा. यहाँ गलती हो रही है उतना बुरा नहीं लग रहा, उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ा, राइट। अब देखो जैसे ये ऊपर वाला मैं गलत करने वाला था, भावना ने मेरे को बताया था अभी। I was actually considering the answers till 100. I made a mistake there. So actually the answers will not be till 100, it will only be till 99. Because between 99 and 100, my curve is in the negative direction. So I was going to make that mistake if she hadn't corrected me. है ना? So like similarly, so it does happen many times. तो होती है, मैं भी I also make mistakes. So okay. So just one more problem before we go off today. और टाइप 3 तो फिर कल ही होगा डिस्कस. सो जस्ट वन मोर प्रॉब्लम. A times f of x, okay, plus b times f of 1 minus x, 1 by x is equal to x plus 1. अच्छा यार, a और b की जगह कुछ नंबर ले लो. a और b में क्यों सॉल्व करोगे तुम? सो जस्ट टेक इट एज क्या लो, ले लो इसको
2 3
1 ले लो और इसको 3 ले लो. चलो, गायत्री ने बोला तो 3 ले लो. ठीक है, 1 और 3. So basically 1 times f of x plus 3 times f of 1 by x is equal to x plus 1. बताओ इसको कैसे करोगे? So first just look into the function and tell me which thing or which term do I have to eliminate. मुझे क्या eliminate करना है? Tell me which term of these three do I want to eliminate in order to get f of x?
3f of 1 by x.
हाँ, correct. In other words, I can say I want to eliminate f of 1 by x, right? This also is the
Yes,
same
sir.
thing, right? तो ये सोचो,
Yes, sir.
how can I do it? कैसे करूंगा मैं? What will I need to replace my x with so that I get one
1
more
by
equation?
x.
हाँ, correct. Your name?
Shravani, sir.
Shravani. Great. You have joined the course new, ना? Yeah, you are new
Yes,
to the
sir.
course, right? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
अरे तुमको solution ये sorry लेक्चर मिल गए थे? मैम ने भेज दिए थे? You
Nice,
were
sir.
asking previous time, no?
Yes, sir. But
Like,
still access did not got, sir.
अच्छा, okay. It is not working. Okay. I will ask Chandrika ma'am. She will send you.
Okay, sir.
So,
Thank
okay. So replace x by 1 by x. Correct.
1
Absolutely.
by x. Yes, sir.
तो इसको लिखो. So it is f of 1 by x. f of 1 by x is equal to 3 times f of. अब ये बताओ यहाँ क्या आएगा?
X.
X, sir.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट, x. 1 by x है ना, तो ये x हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
इज इक्वल टू
you.
1
Yes.
by x plus 1. है ना? मिल गया. सो आई हैव टू इक्वेशंस. अब इसमें से मेरे को f of 1 by x को एलिमिनेट करना है. सो व्हाट कैन आई डू? I will multiply my second equation by 3.
Yes.
So it is basically 3 times f of 1 by x plus 9 times f of x is equal to 3 by x plus 3. ये आ जाएगा. Now I will subtract this thing. इसको मैं equation number 3 बोल देता हूँ. I will subtract my equation 3 and 1. 3 और 1 को मैं कर दूंगा subtract. ये रहा मेरा 3, ये रहा मेरा 1. कर दो subtract. तो ये आ जाएगा 8 times f of x, है ना? 8 times f of x is equal to 3 by x plus 2 माइनस एक्स. तो मेरा एफ ऑफ एक्स कितना आ गया? एफ ऑफ एक्स कितना आ गया? इट इज 3 प्लस 2x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 8x. ये आ गया मेरा. फाइन. एनी डाउट्स? कैलकुलेशन
No,
मतलब ये कैसे हुआ, लाइक हाउ आई एम डूइंग फास्ट कैलकुलेशन, ये मत वो करना. लाइक दिस शुड नॉट बी योर कंसर्न नाउ. like such type of calculation will you will be able to get through practice. Now your fundamental should be that how we have solved the question. अभी ये सोचो कि क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कैसे हुआ. You are able to get, you should be able to get that how we have solved the question. Okay, that should be your prime motto now. तो चलो इसमें भी एक होमवर्क ले लेना. ये वाला थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है, थोड़ा सा. ओके, तो इसमें क्या है, फंक्शनल इक्वेशन है 2 टाइम्स एफ ऑफ x minus 1, ओके, माइनस एफ ऑफ 1 minus x by x इज इक्वल टू x. ठीक है, ये है. सो फाइंड एफ ऑफ x. फाइन. तो ये सब समझ आ गया ना? एवरीथिंग इज कंप्लीटेड. मतलब
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
okay, great.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this question was a bit special, okay? So just make sure that you have understood this one, this f of alpha comma beta wala. That what is happening here was that my input was some term, it was not x comma y. My input was not x comma y. So I had to convert my input in terms of x and y. And similarly, my right hand side also. Okay, so just make sure you have understood this. और ये दोनों homework वाले questions कर लेना. Any doubt in yesterday's homework? ये क्वेश्चन तो हमने कर लिया अभी. इसके अलावा जो बाकी दिए थे, एनी डाउट्स?
No, sir.
हाँ, किए ही
No,
नहीं होंगे
sir.
तो डाउट कहाँ से आएगा, है ना? सही बोल रहा हूँ ना? किए ही नहीं होंगे तो डाउट कहाँ से आएगा? सही है, चलो चल. ठीक है, चलो, ओके. अच्छा भावना, आई कुडंट सी योर दैट, लाइक Chandrika ma'am, I guess like she hasn't sent me, so I will ask her now to send. If I get it, I will be sharing. Okay, so fine, that's it. Thank you, have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank
Yes,
you, students. Again, yes, sir. We will meet tomorrow morning, 5 to 7.
ma'am,
Okay, we will
please send
meet.
the
Yes.
links of class to Shravani. Like she is telling that the link is not working.
Okay, sir. I'll share it, sir.
Okay, and please share
Yes.
Bhavna's homework also.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Yes, students. Bye, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow.